All right, do you need your middle glass brace on your aquarium removed? Usually they're right here up on top, and people think that you need to take off your plastic top frame, but you don't. You can get right to it with leaving it on. All right, we're gonna start off by using a blade, razor blade, and cut, horizontally, just like that, and vertically on each side. And then move to the other side. You see on the bottom tank all that silicone. And same thing over here, bottom and top. You're not going to be able to get behind it, but that'll be next. Next, you want to get yourself some either floss or string, or I grabbed some fishing line. Wrap around your fingers, cut yourself a small section, and start on either the top or one of the sides and work your way through it. You could see once I'm all the way through, it drops a little bit. Right about now, yep. After it fell a little bit, I thought about actually stacking pillows underneath, just so it didn't fall and break anything.
Holy moly. Woo. Caught it.
Yeah, this is about a 1/2 inch piece of glass, and it's got some weight to it. So if it would have fell, it definitely would have broke something. I'm glad it worked out. Hopefully it worked out for you. I'm going to be building an aquarium, saltwater probably. So if you want to follow along, I'm going to have a bunch more videos hopefully. Thanks.